Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to blow a bubble with bubble gum. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need for this is a piece of bubble gum that has been decently chewed, and then you also need the willingness to try to blow the bubble. That's it. So the reason you want a decently chewed piece of bubble gum is simply because if it's too fresh, it's not going to be malleable enough. You want to have chewed it for at least a few minutes until it's really, really chewable and chewy. Okay, so when you're ready to blow your bubble, this is all that you do. You want to essentially, you get your bubble gum, and essentially you're going to be wrapping the bubble gum around the front of your tongue, and then you're going to use your teeth to get on the top and the bottom of that piece of bubble gum that is wrapped around your tongue, and then you're just going to blow the bubble. So follow along with me. First step, flatten it out like this, okay? And then wrap it around the front of your tongue like that, okay? Now my top teeth are going to be covering the top of that bubble gum, and my bottom teeth are going to be covering the bottom like this. And then you just blow into that bubble gum, and it's going to create a bubble like this. Okay? We'll do that one more time. Flatten it out around your tongue. Wrap your teeth around it, and then blow. Now, when I'm doing it without talking, I create a much bigger bubble like this. One more time. Flatten it out with your tongue. Wrap it around the front of your tongue. Cover the top and bottom with your top and bottom row of teeth. And then just blow into it like this. I'll do it without saying the instructions this time. Woo! And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.